Good morning. No?
No, not do it.
Oh, you don't know how to do it? Well, we're outside. Rippy is taking a nap, right? Rippy taking a nap. And there was a combine in this field right by our place. But now that we're standing over here, I think it stopped. So we're just waiting for it to go by again. That's why they wanted to see it. Must be unloading. You think maybe it's unloading? It's a really nice day out, other than it being really windy, right? Yeah.
I'm making some wood.
You got some wood? All of this wood is just from the trees that fell down this summer. We had so many trees down from storms and stuff. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
So many trees. It was not very fun. Well, for Sean it wasn't. Didn't matter to me. I didn't get to help much 'cause I had a baby and a toddler. Right, buddy? Gonna put it in the fireplace? Cool. Well, I don't know if the combine's coming. Thought we'd wait. But we'll just have to come back when we for sure see him going again. Okay? Okay. You gonna ride your bike again? You are so obsessed with your bike. The last video I did, I had some video of Sean and I working on the fish house, but I don't think I actually said anything in the video. But this used to be my brother's old fish house, but they both got big ice castles, so this has been just sitting in my dad's woods. You wanna play carpet ball? With me? Okay. This has just been sitting in my dad's woods for a couple years, just kind of rotting away, so I've been redoing the inside of it. Added this bench seat. Woo! Moving the... And then we just added this. It's an old door. Okay, come on, focus camera. Okay, there. It's an old door that we're using as a table, so it goes down like this, and then we have a leg that goes right in there, so we can use it as a table and not use that hole, or we can put it up and use that hole. So this will work good. But yeah, I've just been this has been a mini project of mine, just kind of working on this because I haven't been able to do much to the house still, because my favorite part, decorating and stuff like that, is still not really, we still need to do more important things. So I've been just kind of working on this. Here it is with the table down. Yeah, so this has just been a little project that I've been working on. I love doing projects, like trying to do as much as I can to something to make it look nice without actually spending much money. Like all I've spent on, hey Gandalf, all I've done is gone to the thrift store and got like this fabric for all of this, and like this chair was $3. I'm probably gonna put that like right there. It's a fishing chair, you know, it swivels back and forth. And these shelves are only like a couple $2 each, and I'll put them up there. So yeah, I just like to do as much as I can with like little to no money. Because yeah, we had this gray paint from our floor upstairs. That was an old door. We had all this extra wood. And yeah, it's been a fun little project. I'll do curtains. Actually, I've already started sewing them. We're going to use the old plywood from Sean's office to cover all of this up. And then I'm going to paint it white to finish it off. And yeah, and I have the white paint already, so. And here are the kitties. You found Henny? I want to see. Can you show me again? Where's Henny? There she is. Good job. Rippy. Hi, Rippy.
I'm not saying your name.
Look at Rippy. He wants to crawl so bad. Look at him trying. He wants to crawl so bad, doesn't he?
No, you're cold.
Whoa.
I got purple and blue.
You got the purple and the blue one.
And I want to hold the big one.
I think you can do it. You're actually better than me at this. Whoa! Good job, bud. Do you see Dad? Where is he? There he is. Whoa, whoa, I can't. There he is. Do that again, bud. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Wave at Dad.
That is big down.
He did? You want to get down? Let's go to your sandbox, huh?
Okay.
Hey babe, you got a huge clump. I gotta go inside and work, buddy.
Oh, that is so.
That's thunder.
Mom?
Yeah, did you hear it?
It's funny.
Thunder, yeah.
The house.
It's really raining. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for it to be done raining. Woo! Oh my goodness. Wow. It's loud. What are you doing?
I thought I'd be in here if it hails.
Oh. As soon as you get in here. It literally stopped just now.
I'm like the chosen one. I looked out the window and saw hail bouncing off the steps.
Oh,
I'm like,
what?
Finally.
There was
It
hail?
never hailed here, but yeah, out
Oh,
there.
it was
definitely
loud, but it didn't seem like it was hail at all.
All right, well,
That's hilarious.
Go back to work like I'm supposed to.
Baby, just come me.
Did you have a good nap? Hey, be nice. Okay, let's go to your big boy bed. Do you want to go to Wilder's big boy bed, Rippy?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Give me a B.
Hey, don't do that to the markers. That's gonna ruin the markers, bud.
No, I'm making dots.
Yeah, that's okay if you do it lightly like that. That's good.
No, I'm making dots.
Yeah, you are making dots. Do you see the rainbow?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Rippy.
We're not sure going there.
Look at that rainbow, buddy. Do you see it? Whoa, you ran him right into your scooter. Hi, Rippy. Hi. Sun sneezer. Just like his mama. Oh, there was 3 of them. Oh! Okay, bud. Ready? Go! Good job! Did Rippy like it? Did you like going down the hill? Yeah.